In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram link to Shopify website. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need inside your Shopify admin so your Instagram is properly connected, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to make the process smooth. First, open your Shopify store and sign in to your admin dashboard. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser so every menu is easy to see and nothing is hidden. Once you're on the main admin screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is where Shopify keeps all add-ons and official integrations. In the Apps area, use the search to enter the word Instagram. From the results, look for the listing called Facebook and Instagram. This is the official integration that connects your Shopify store with Instagram, and it's the one you want for a reliable, supported setup. Go ahead and open that listing, review the details if you like, and then click Install. Shopify will show a brief permissions screen. Confirm to continue, and the app will be added to your store without you needing to touch any theme code. After the installation completes, you'll see a prompt to connect your Instagram. Click to connect and make sure you're signed into the correct Instagram account in your browser. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check that you're selecting the one you intend to link to your store. The screens that follow will guide you step by step. Simply follow the prompts on your screen, authorize the connection, and accept the requested permissions so Shopify and Instagram can talk to each other securely. When the connection is successful, take a moment to explore the app. You'll find options and status indicators that confirm your Instagram is linked. This is also where you can review settings, see if anything needs attention, and learn what features are available to you. If anything doesn't look right, try refreshing the page and rerunning the prompts. Most issues resolve quickly once the proper account is selected and permissions are granted. Anytime you need to revisit it, head back to Apps in your Shopify admin and open Facebook and Instagram from your installed apps list. If a window doesn't appear during setup, make sure your browser allows pop-ups and try again. That's it. You opened your Shopify store, went to Apps, entered Instagram, selected Facebook and Instagram, installed it, connected your Instagram, followed the on-screen prompts, and explored the app to finish linking. You're now set up to make the most of your Instagram presence with your Shopify website.